Welcome back to Tink's Garage, and today we are cruising. Been a while since I've done anything on the FJ. Today I decided to upgrade the horn. And first off, we need to work out where we're going to put it. It's currently down here. Yeah, on the Bel Air. The factory item is currently there, just in front of the radiator. Might fit there, don't know. And the current factory horn sounds like this. Successfully extracted from the Bel Air. As you can see, there's two elements to this bad boy, so we've got to find a place for both bits. I think the horn itself will fit neatly down there. Just got to find somewhere to put this. Having extracted the factory horn, that looks as good a place as any to mount this bad boy. Alright. So we have a positive and a negative. So the negative's just going off to a temporary earth over there for the moment for testing. And over here, on the original, just got one wire. Dubious as to whether that's actually power, but it must be, right? I don't know. Sometimes these things are triggered by the ground. I don't know. We'll find out. Right, we have snips, crimps, and a stripper. Right, earthed up for real. Pump in place. Horn in place. Yes, I've just tie wrapped it for now. It's not heavy. It's not going anywhere. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, that's much better. Nice, and all done in under an hour. Yes, indeed, folks. Nice, quick job for a Thursday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. There's plenty more episodes in this series on FJ. I fitted an exhaust. What else? I don't know. All kinds of stuff. Anyway, yes, I have episodes. So please subscribe while you're in. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.